Hey my friend, your girl here, Tanisha at createmyown.economy.com. So you are looking for a way to work from home in 2019. You are looking for a way to work from home in 2019. Now, we are in the 21st century where making money from our cell phone, guys, is the way to riches. It's very simple. The way that we make money, guys, is on our cell phone. We can negate the fact that the computer era has arrived, right? We can't negate the fact that cell phones have taken over our lives. Every day that I log on to my cell phone, it says flows to me. So that means money flows to me like a river every day, right? Because I make money from my cell phone every day. So in 2019, millennials, kids are graduating from high school and they're like, I have options. I can either go get a job like my mother or my father or my grandmother, or I can learn the new way to make money. Now, as a young person, which most young adults are on their cell phone 24/7, doing selfies, doing Snapchat, on Instagram, doing Instagram calls, Instagram lives, all this stuff. The new way to make money and work from home, guys, in 2019 is on your cell phone. 18-year-olds want to be able to be free. 18-year-olds, 19-year-olds, all the way up to 39-year-old is not good at following instructions from a stranger. See, in our mom's time, right? My mom, who's 55 and over, my grandmother, who's 75 and over. See, they were accustomed to listening to a stranger, which is your boss or your supervisor. Now, these kids don't even want to listen to the teacher. They don't want to listen to the principal. They don't even want to listen to you as their parent. So they are not really interested in going and looking for a job, right? Even the president said, that the new way, right, is starting a business. We need more business owners. Business owners need to create jobs for other people, right? So all a job is a business owner, entrepreneur, right? Started a business, or a government agency started a business, and now they need employees to work. And now you're an employee of that business. The business gets tax breaks, and the employee don't, right? So the millennials are like, this doesn't make any sense anymore. I want to be able to work from home. So you can start businesses, guys, anywhere from $99 all the way up to $100,000, right? $99 all the way up to $100,000. So the way to make money, guys, working from home. Okay, you go to workwithtanisha.com. Okay, we're helping people to be able to get their wealth and their health back. See, in this world, guys, especially living in America, there's too many people that have too many things going on with them health wise. See, we want to be able to help people. So if you're a millennial and you're into health and wellness, you're into drinking tea and coffee, and you like natural stuff, you definitely can use our program, right? Our program is called Total Life Changes. It is a great way for you to lose weight, feel better, be able to work from your cell phone, make money, also sell a physical product, and you're good. I also have another program called My Econ. It's $35. We're showing you how to fix your credit. Now, both programs go together. Okay, we're showing you how to fix your credit. We're showing you how to increase your cash flow. Okay, we also showing you how to invest. So I think you need both of them. Working from home is the best thing, guys, I've ever decided to do. I got fired as a social worker about 6 years ago. And I said, you know what? Fuck a job. Okay? I need my life. I need my time. I need to be able to spend time with my kids and my husband. And thank God that I did. I was able to buy me a house, bought me a Benz, have a nice bank account now. I got some real estate. I got some investments. I have online training courses that helps people. Okay? So working from home in 2019, guys, is the new wave. So don't fill out job applications, right? And wait and wish, that someone calls you. Create your own job from your cell phone. You can start getting healthy, helping people get healthy. You can work from home in 2019 from your cell phone. You could be on the beach working. You can be anywhere working in 2019. Guys, think about this. Companies even are telling people to stay home and work. Now you don't have to pay sick time and they don't have to pay vacation time. So corporations are getting it too. They're like, you know what? We can save money if we just let people work from home. It makes complete sense. So in the 1920s, it didn't make sense, right? But now it does. But it's the same mindset, guys, right? Because in the 1920s, they wanted you to continue to slave. In the 21st century, guys, they still want you to slave. But the thing is, more people are waking up to being able to work from home. I'm doing it. If I can do it, guys, I'm sure you can do it too, right? Especially if you're a millennial, you know how to work the internet, you know how to email, you know how to get on Snapchat, you know how to post on Instagram, you know how to post on YouTube, you already know how to post on Facebook, you already know how to update all of this stuff. So you don't have the problem that a 55 or 65-year-old do, right? You're already ahead of the game, right? So working from home is in your best interest. Right now, if you still want to get a job, fine, go get a job. But know that working from home can allow you to get your time back, make more money, focus on your health, your happiness, and your love. So working from home in 2019, guys, is the new wave of wealth. Work from home in 2019, guys. Share this video with your friends. Share this with your classmates or your teammates. Okay, share this with your mom and your dad. Making money from home in 2019, guys, is the new wave of wealth, guys. So go to workwithtanisha.com and then go to jointanishaMarie.com. See you guys at the top because the bottom is just too crowded.